This is the easiest and the most traditional egg fried rice. 16 subscribers. Guys, we hit over 10 subscribers. So, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook egg fried rice.
Hey, look, you have to change clothes before you cook.
Okay?
I'm gonna do some magic to you.
Sure, no problem. Before we get to the cook, we have to wash our hands first. Now get the camera to the kitchen. How to cook egg fried rice. There's only 3 ingredients you need. I got 263 grams of overnight rice and 2 eggs and already chopped green onion, soy sauce, white pepper, and salt, and MSG, and some oil. You guys know how to cook rice, right?
Right?
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. If you want to cook rice, you have to put the rice into this cup. So this time I'm gonna cook about 2 cups. This is 1 cup. 2 cups. Before we cook the rice, we have to wash the rice 2 times. Use your hand to wash rice like this. Look guys, listen, look, guys. This is the reason why you should wash the rice. Because there's a freaking bug inside the rice. Okay, if you want to drain the rice, you can use your hand or you can use this. Okay, Uncle Roger? Hiya! Yeah, I'm talking to you, Uncle Roger. For the first time, I'm gonna use my hand to demonstrate how to drain the rice. Pull the water out and use your hand to cover the bottom. Then, we wash second time. Second time, I'm gonna demonstrate, use the colander. It's okay, Uncle Roger. And because we only add 2 cups of rice, so we only have to add the water to the line over here. There's a 2. No more fingertips, okay, Uncle Roger? That's an old school style. Hiya! We got a rice cooker. Okay, no finger, Uncle Roger. Then we put the rice into the rice cooker. Close it, just press this button. And that's it, guys. That's how you cook the rice. Simple and easy, right?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Now, let's back to work. And usually I want to cook fried rice with this. But my mom said this is too big for just cooking fried rice. So she only allows me to use this to cook fried rice. Yeah, you guys know the Asian parents are.
What did you say about the Asian
Wait,
parents?
wait. The Asian parents are very nice. They don't hit kids. They only show love to the children. And now we're gonna turn on the heat. Yeah, that's fire. Then we're gonna add some oil inside here. Then we turn down a little bit heat to the middle heat. And then we add all the eggs. But the only real chef use only 1 hand to hit the egg. So I can. I am the chef. And now we're gonna stir the egg. And now we add the rice. Now we're gonna stir it to mix them together. If you can't do this, it's okay. You can just only do this. It's okay, it's totally fine. And this is almost perfect mixed. Then we turn off the heat and let's say we add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Same as the white pepper. MSG. We add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. But wait, it's important here. You have to add around the rice, not in the middle, around the rice. This is the most important step, you have to do it. Alright? Then we mix them till every rice is colored by the soy sauce. See? See the difference from the beginning and now? Then we turn up the heat to the medium heat. And we add the green onion inside. Then we're gonna mix them. Okay, everything is finished. Put all the rice into the bowl. Then we're gonna put the bowl on the plate like this. Voila! This is the easiest and the most traditional egg fried rice. The first bite is for you guys. It's a little bit too salty. We can add rice to about 350 grams. At least the taste is really good. Trust me, it's really good. The last bite. Alright guys, that is today's video. I can't believe we hit over 10 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, really. That's the motivation that keeps me doing all the videos. That I really hope we can do another cooking show, and that will be 100 subs celebration. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll see you next time.